Hey, welcome back to the Oak and Ash Cigar Co. YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk wrapper, binder, filler, and give you more confidence next time you walk into your local cigar shop of knowing not only how the cigar is constructed, but also what are you looking for. So let's just simply start. I have a Connecticut shade wrapper cigar in my hand. The wrapper is the outer leaf on the cigar. It's usually the more expensive part of the cigar. It needs to look good, but typically you're going to have your Connecticut, your Habano, which is more of your medium, or your Maduro, which is your darker cigar. Maduro, a little more body, a little more flavor. Medium smoke is your Habano, and then your lighter smoke is typically going to be your Connecticut. So if you're a new cigar smoker, I would lean towards getting a lighter shade wrapper, which is your Connecticut wrapper. Right below this wrapper is going to be the binder that holds the cigar together. Think about the glue that holds the cigar together, and then below that is going to be your filler. Your fillers are blended by a master blender at the manufacturers or the factories, and they blend it based on complementary flavor profiles depending on what it is they're wanting to get out of that cigar. So you could have a different tobacco. You could have a Nicaraguan tobacco inside. You could have a Dominican in the binder, and you could have a Ecuadorian Connecticut on the wrapper. It's really kind of left up to that master blender. But the main reason for this video is to help you be more confident knowing how your cigar is made and also knowing what shades to look for. So you have your wrapper, outer leaf, binder holds it together. It's the glue that keeps the cigar together. You have your filler tobaccos, which are bunched inside the cigar, Connecticut leaf, Habano leaf, and you have your Maduro. Hope this helps you out. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with a friend, somebody you know that would benefit from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.